We are here at Harvest Grill Off, and we got Mike and Jamie gonna go at it in their sumo costumes. So, any words here? What's the prediction for the fight? I'm gonna win. Just like you won the other one. Yeah, so. Jamie, you almost look like a turtle.
My hands are gonna be sore after this.
This is so good.
Y'all ready? Alright, best of three. Whoever knocks the guy over twice wins. Ready? Go! And use your height! Jamie, get low! Get low, Jamie!
Oh, man.
I was only able to record the first one and then my battery died out. Ow! Tuck your head if you fall back. Get low, Jamie!
Come on, Jamie!
Use your body! Yeah. Hello?
Jamie, what seems to be the trouble? How come you're not winning?
Here, you can probably grab his hand and pull him up. That way we don't even keep ripping on our hands. Grab him by his hand. Another one? Alright. Three? No. Destroyed. What? Yep.
Mike, try to stand up on your own.
Who's going again?
Get me out of there.
You gonna go again? Huh? Sure, if I want. If anyone doesn't want to go. If no one wants to go, I'm next. He's going against you.
All right, you got another contender, Mike.
Woo, champion.
How does it feel to be a champion thus far?
Nuts.
Oh, this is great.
He said head over.
I'm having a good time with my life. My biggest
Are you just gonna wash his off?
Oh, that wind is terrible.
I'll go to the gym with it.
Nope. Hear me sweat, it's just gonna like start pouring down your face on a treadmill.
I'm still walking over.
He's horrible.
Time to eat. Time to eat. Oh man, it's one of the most masculine things I've ever seen.
I know what he's gonna get.
I don't even know.
Yeah, Bumblebee.
That's all surprised me.
I told him if I can't see it, I don't want to know.
Big mistake.
It's not bad. Oh, yeah. Excuse me, stupid.
Right. I think we gotta pause for a minute. We gotta go pray.
You can pray here.
I think Mike figured it out. Oh, this is great. How's it taste, Mike? And here we got the Harvest Palos Small Group Grill Off Trophy. That is actually really cool. I wonder who built this thing. That is awesome. Oh man. Here we got some sequences, some glitter.
Okay, now you can see what you look like.
Hold on. I got you. Oh, do not do it.
You didn't do your makeup like a woman.
So I want to see myself, bro.
You want to see yourself? Alright, I'm going to flip this
I don't know if I
around.
want to anymore. Oh, I look cute.
Oh man, alright. Good job.
Thank you.
777.
Cupcake, please.
No water. No water, right?
You go grab some water. All right, everybody take away.
Jacob, you won't be saying that when you're eating.
Keep your cupcake.
You'll be regretting you said that.
Here's in front. You guys gotta get your cupcake. What are you doing? Down like take one. There you go. There you go. Everybody pick your favorite. Get behind your hand and root for him.
So, Jake, Brad.
Everybody ready?
Brad's gonna win. Come on, Jake.
On your mark. Get set. Fingers up. Go.
Come in.
Oh, get in.
Oh my God.
Go. One fight. He's trying. He's trying.
Hey, Jake.
Pull forward. Body slam.
Oh! Caleb, how does it feel to be on the back?
Get me up. Jumped on me.
No, not right now. Because if somebody gets hurt, I'm not going to be happy.
Ready? Start. I'm happy with that. Gotta go all up, bro. Caleb losing it. Alright, reset. Ready?
Ding ding, game is in.
No!
Oh no!
All back on his back! Okay.
Oh!
This is ridiculous.
Isn't it though? I can't move! I can't grab him, my arms are too short.
Yeah, let's take it.
Justin, how do you feel after that? Look at him! 1-1, let's go again! Walk over, we got one more! Pull your diaper up.
Alright, round 3 for the win!
For the W, fellas, for the W.
Gotta scream! Yeah, it's a big scream. Fighters, some fighters white. Completely white.
Oh!
Themselves and what they do. This year, remember from last year, actually, I thought about it all year long. It was
Alright, Cal, no pressure. No pressure. You lost the last game, but you could do this, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Congratulations. You guys really brought it this year. You did a nice job. The brisket, pork chop, cowboy caviar was excellent.
Ooh, what's over here, Phil? What's over here?
Yeah, this is cool.
Very sweet.
Look at the freedom. What is that? It's like salad?
Those are tacos, they're like walking tacos.
Okay, alright. There's guacamole and...
What's the name of your small group? It's called a small group.
I like that. You can remember that one.
Let me get my food. I'll out.
Down he goes.
Done so. Who's that? Were you guys gonna play?
Are you out already?
That was awesome.
You guys